Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what to do if your HONOR MagicBook freezes. There are two types of freezing. One can be when a certain app freezes and we can close that app even if it can be closed by the X button, and I'm gonna show you that in a moment. But also there is a chance that your laptop is fully freezed, then we'll just need to force restart it. So let's first see how to close a frozen app. So I'm gonna open any app that I'll just pretend it's frozen, and let's say this app is frozen. And in case you want to close it, you can just click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard. If you get to that screen, then your laptop isn't fully freezed, it's only the app that freezed. You can click on Task Manager. Then, in the Task Manager, you can find the app that you want to close, right-click on it, and you can click on Restart or End. In the case of Windows Explorer, actually it can only be restarted in Windows 11, but this is how you do it. And then you should be able to just reopen that app and it should be good to go. You can also, if it's a different app, let's say Microsoft Edge, and if closing it doesn't help in the Task Manager, by right-clicking and clicking on End Task, if this didn't help, then you can scroll down until you find the Windows Explorer, right-click on it and restart it. Then it should help you. Now there's the second way of freezing your laptop, which is if your whole system is freezed, and then most probably you will need to press and hold on the power button until the laptop turns off. Press and hold on the power button. Now it's off. In case it didn't turn off after pressing and holding for about like 10 or 15 seconds, even half a minute, then there may be something really wrong with your laptop, and you should just leave it unplugged from the charger for it to automatically discharge. And after it discharges, it'll turn off because it will not have enough power. So this is the only option if the pressing and holding power button doesn't work. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.